Hello everyone, Linus from StruSoft here. This week I wanted to show you a brand new feature that we released a couple of days ago. And it's a feature to our element control system. Uh, and this feature give you the possibility to put a mandatory control order of your element controls and also the checks within the control. So let me show you how it works. Um, Let me just show the resource manager here. Of course, I will start with informing you that, of course, this will be done like this is implemented for the project manager and the Impact Go as well. But I will show the resource manager here today because it's simple to show. So we're gonna start here in the settings. We have the element controls. So in each control, if I filter on the name, I will show you these two with starting on the number 1 here. On the first column, we have the order. So here you can order the different controls. So in my case, I want to do the pre-production control first, and then the second one, um, the production, like post-production control after that. So this means that if I use my control order, I won't be able to fill in the production control before I do the pre-production. And that's logic because you cannot do the pre-production control when the element is already casted. But sometimes it could be that you forget to fill in everything in the pre-production control. And to prevent that, we have this setting for the mandatory controls, which you can find in the settings in Resource Manager. This is down here with element control system. So we have this first one called mandatory to follow control order. So it's what we looked at here. So this means that, okay, we cannot do control number 2 before this one is completed, but we could do the content of it. So let's say that I could do this formwork height, which is the check order number 3, before I do the formwork length. But if I want to follow the check orders as well, so this is the check orders for simple checks and measurement check, we have the same or a similar setting for that as well. So in this example, I have both enabled, so you will be able to see how how it looks like when it's mostly restricted. Usually, I think you, as a user, will have the control order enabled to yes, and then the check order disabled, so that you can do it in whatever order you want to. But we have the possibility at least. So let's take a look how it looks like. I will go here to my cost planning, find an element here, and open the control. So you can see here that I have my two controls that I showed before with the simple checks. So if I try to click on any of these here to complete the controls, nothing happens. Uh, it's the same thing if I try to click on the second control here, nothing happens. But if I do the first one, I'm able to continue with the second one. So I will just do those. I don't gonna fill in the values, just controlling them. And now we can see that this fills in as expected because all of the checks in my first pre-production control is done. So I can save, and now I can continue with the second control as well. So this is, as I said before, gonna help you to prevent someone missing to check the formwork with and then approving the control. So it's gonna be a good help for you as to assure the quality of your elements. Yeah, thank you for watching this tip, and I hope that you will find it useful. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.